Electrolux AutoDose is an automatic and intelligent detergent dosage solution which keeps your clothes looking like new for longer. Electrolux AutoDose has 2 manual and 2 automatic compartments for full flexibility. The automatic compartments store enough liquid detergent and softener for approximately 20 washes. The manual compartments can be used for special detergents or additives. For your convenience, the drawer can be easily taken out and cleaned if needed. Did you know that overdosing detergent can damage the fibers in your cotton clothing by compromising the effective softener? Over time, this can cause fabrics to tear quicker, colors to fade, and garments to shrink. Thanks to Electrolux AutoDose Intelligent Detergent Dosage, cottons resist tearing for 3 times longer. Electrolux uses SensiCare technology to weigh the load to the nearest kilogram and then automatically calculate the optimal laundry time, water and energy usage, as well as the precise amount of detergent and softener needed for that specific load. This saves you time, energy, water and detergent, and your clothes will look like new for longer. Your Electrolux AutoDose washing machine is connected to the My Electrolux Care App. The app will send you notifications for detergent refills and let you customize and set your default dosage preferences. You can also access the basic AutoDose settings via your washing machine's control panel. Electrolux AutoDose. The right amount of detergent? Let AutoDose decide.